Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of what you're going to be seeing on this channel. So this is my 1986 Porsche 944. Right now, as you can see, it has no motor in it. I bought it for 2,500 bucks. Didn't start. Threw a new DME relay in it, and it started right up. But it was leaking oil pretty bad. So I pulled it, as you can see, engine's right here. I have it all covered up because I took the oil pan off. All the parts out. Don't know I'm gonna get them back in because I already lost some stuff. I'm gonna need to replace a few parts. As you can see, these are pretty messed up. But the interior, there's no door panels on either side. The dash is pretty cracked. Seats aren't bad, and I have a lot of the parts. Like, as you can see, the center console is missing, but I have that all on a parts over there. So I already have a bunch of parts for this thing that I'm planning on doing to it. I have the oil pan gasket. I need to get the clutch, flywheel, pressure plate. I have some plastic covers for the car. Yeah, basically what we're going to be doing with this car is just restoring it. I'm not planning on doing any mods to it or anything like that. It's in decent shape. It's not too bad. I really like the color of this thing. But yeah, I'll be able to show you guys more once I start working on it. Show you guys around the back. So what I like about this car is this piece right here, the Porsche in the middle. Not a lot of them have this. A lot of them, the license plate goes here and it's just a blank canvas. And then, yeah, that's it. But mine, I don't really know what the option is for it, but it's pretty cool. I also have a $600 Targa top, or Sarasota top, that comes here. So it's a glass roof that opens up instead of this factory not clear one. I plan on restoring the dash, but I'm working on mechanical pieces before I get to any appearance or exterior or anything like that, because it's going to be pretty difficult for me to put all this back in. It took me a whole summer to take the motor out because I had no idea what I was doing, but I learned a lot and it was pretty fun, but very frustrating at times. But I just love this car. I think it's so cool. And for a 19-year-old to have a Porsche is pretty cool too. 99 on Civic DX. Show you guys around here. It is non-VTEC. It's pretty beat up. I have it locked right now, but it's an auto. But I have some plans for it already. DX, so it's not VTEC. Bought it for 1,200 bucks. Has a stalling problem, but I plan on fixing that. I have a bunch of parts for the transmission swap already. So, and in the back of my truck, I have the transmission, shift linkages, all that good stuff. So, keep an eye out for that. I'm going back to school, so I'm not gonna have time to work on it, but this thing's pretty ugly, but I love it. I can't wait for it. I eventually want to turbo it. And when that blows up, I'm planning on, I think I'm gonna B-swap it, B-Series swap it, but it's pretty expensive, so I gotta save up some money first. But yeah, so look out for some videos of the Civic coming pretty soon. Then once I have that all fixed up, mechanically sound, I'm gonna transmission swap it to a manual, and then I'm gonna go work on restoring the Porsche, and put this thing on hold because I gotta get it out of the garage and I really want to drive it. If you guys are excited to see what's coming in the future, thanks for watching.